What's good, Beastmax family? Welcome to the second episode of my Honda EK engine bay wash. As you guys have seen from the previous video, the car was hella dirty, had mud all over the engine bay, and I discovered some other things that I didn't really know that I would discover. But yeah, on today's episode, we're just gonna be finishing off the engine bay by cleaning it out, make it sparkling clean as much as possible. But yeah, let me not ramble a lot. Let's get straight to the intro. We're back again with the engine bay wash. This is how I actually left the car previously. It's way better from what it was from the first episode. So on today's episode, guys, I don't want to take too much time. I don't want the video to be hella long, so I'm gonna make it a bit short, but I want you guys to see the results. So I'm really stoked on how the car's gonna end up, or how the car's gonna be clean. So yeah, guys, let's get to it. Just need to take out the rest of the intake. Just wanna take that out and actually start working on the car and making it more spotless clean, taking out all the oil in those specific areas like that. Make the engine cleaner, let me just say the engine bay cleaner than what it was. By the way, guys, I actually got a name for it because I asked you guys to comment down below if you got maybe a name that I can name the car. So I decided just to call it Beastie, since it's Beastmax 350 and my name is also Beast. Yeah, so I'm just gonna call it Beastie. This is my Beastie. By the way, another thing, guys, on the previous video right here, there was a lot of trash. There was like bottles and whatever, trolleys and everything. But guys, look how clean it is now. Like, damn. I like how it is now. I like how it is because now everything's more organized. There's much more space. I created my own table from the Bryce stand. I created my own table. I just got this, is it cardboard or whatever? No, not cardboard. But yeah, anyways, I got this, I placed it there so I can put my tools, I can put whatever I need to put there. But yeah, guys, it's so clean, it's so clean. I like this, I like this, I like this. But anyways, let's get to work. Let's make the car much more cleaner. Let's start working on the Honda EK. So yeah, guys, I'm like 10 minutes inside doing the engine bay wash, and guys, the car is really grimy. It's really grimy. I never thought, I thought it was gonna be much more easier than what I actually expected, but it's gonna be way harder. So I've actually applied the black sim again, where I've actually tried to clean up. There's not much of results that you can say, but right there in that area, it looks way better than it was before. But I'm still not happy. There's a lot of things that I need to do in order for me to actually get this engine bay to the actually level I want to see it at. Also took out the hose of the radiator to the engine, so I can get a much more easier access for me to clean down there. But what I've noticed is that I think I'll have to take out the radiator so I can get into spaces that I can't get into, and I think I'm also gonna need to take out the headers. For now, I'm just gonna clean out where I can, then see the progress. And if I'm still not happy, I'm just gonna remove the radiator and the header and just clean out the engine bay as much as possible. I need it to be way cleaner than this. Let's just get back to work and let's see the end results, if it's gonna be way better. Okay, so yeah, guys, because I don't want this video to be hella long, I think I've already done enough time-lapse for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back with just the feedback or the updates on the car. So for now, I just wanna go get my speaker, get in my zone, and just watch the car and just get it clean. Let me just get to work and see you guys later with the updates. So yeah, guys, just wanted to give you a quick update. I'm happy with the results. I just need to, as I said, gonna take out the header, and after that, so I can get to this spots like here, over here. But okay, I can use my screwdriver for that. But yeah, I'm gonna take out the header so I can go inside over there just to clean it up there. But as you can see, the results, it's actually, oh guys, sorry, I'm so shaky. Yeah, but as you can see, guys, it's looking way better. That's what I'm trying to get, the results that I'm trying to get for now, to get the car, like the engine really clean. I'll have to take it out, remove it from the engine bay, and that's gonna be a hassle because I don't have an engine hoist and I don't have an engine stand. So that's gonna be a mission for later on in the stage. As you can see right now, guys, oh man, look how thick this is. Just look at that. So that's all the oil that has been there that I want to remove. It's hella thick. But yeah, guys, it's gonna be a lot of work. It's gonna be like a whole lot of work, but I'm up for it. So let's just see how the end results by today, how it's gonna look like. But yeah, let's just get to work. I'll come back to you, show you the results of this side, since I showed you of that side, which is way cleaner, guys. It's way cleaner. But yeah, I need to focus on this side. And yeah, so let me just get back to work. So yeah, guys, that's kind of like what I'm trying to get. I can see, maybe you guys can see through the camera, like there is results. There is results there. But as I said, guys, for me to make it like to be spotless clean, I'll have to take out the engine bay. But so far, I'm just happy. I'm happy with the results. It's coming out cleaner and cleaner and cleaner. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I don't know if you guys have noticed, there was a new intro. If you guys are still watching, please make sure comment down below and let me know what you think about the new intro of the videos. And yeah, man, your feedback will be really appreciated. And please also comment down below if there's anything that you want to know, or or content that you want to see from me via the Honda EK.
A few minutes later.
So yeah, guys, back again with another quick update. As you can see, man, looking way better. Yeah, so guys, I some sort got it a bit cleaner. As you can see, it's no more black anymore. There's no more oil that much anymore. But there's still a lot to do, guys. Like in that area over there, that area over there, that area over there, like the whole engine bay. So there's like a really lot of work to do in this. There's still like a whole lot of work to do in this car. But to be honest, guys, I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera, but or if the previous guys have been watching the previous videos, but the car is way cleaner, guys. I won't lie, it's way cleaner, but still really need a lot of work. As I said, the best way to actually clean the engine bay to the level that I wanted to get to, I'll have to take out the engine. Yeah, I'm stoked so far with the work that I've done. And probably for you guys to be like, oh, you didn't really clean it. I don't know if you guys can see it through the cam, but I'm stoked. I'm happy. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video over here, guys. As I said, if you liked if you enjoyed the content, please like, comment down below, subscribe, hit the bell button, and be part of the fam. There's much more better content that's gonna be coming besides just the engine bay wash. We need to get this car rolling. We need to see this car moving. So in the next few weeks, that's what my main focus is going to be, to make the car, like the car has to start moving and be on the road. Not literally on the road, because there's still a lot of things that I need to do. But yeah, let the car move. And also for it to move, it's going to help me with that. Stay tuned for that content. Stay tuned for what's going to happen, or how I'm going to straighten up that. Stay tuned for that, because I feel like it's going to be something dope for the content. But yeah, guys, I'm stoked. Yeah. Stay tuned for the merch. It's gonna be real sick. Hope you guys wanna like it, and I hope you guys wanna like the future content. And again, for the last time, if you enjoyed, please make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the bell button, and support the build beastie, as you know. So yeah, guys, Kruger Blessed, I love you all. Peace out.